Ikwerre anumeka o nkele mele Ikwerre zanha kelekwa m ndị Igbo niile awụ m onye Ikwerre ezigbote nwa afọ Igbo ezigbote nwa afọ Igbo kara aka ana ekwetere m kwesị ike na ndị Ikwerre bụ ndị Igbo agbachi ihe niile a na-akọ ha kọbụrụ na mgbe nke gara aga enwe new generation of ndị Ikwerre ma ndị ụmụ nwoke ma ndị ụmụ nwaanyị kwetere n'eziokwu na anyị wawu ndị Ikwerre kpọmkwem na anyị bụ ndị Igbo ekene m ụnụ kaba arụ biko wee nyere m aka wee sonye na platform anụ especially anyị wawu ndị Ikwerre ọtụtụ n'ime anyị bụ ndị either our mother or our father ndị Igbo. Besides that, our origin indeed bụ Igbo. Nweghị ọzọ onye ọbụla nwere ike ịgwa anyị. Anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Anyị wee ezigbote ụmụ afọ Igbo. Tụọ aka ọ dị.
I have petition against Big Tanya. I have petition against her. Nonsense. Nonsense. Why is it when it comes to my case, they turn the law upside down? They turn the law upside down. Upside down. Upside down. Listen. This is the laws of Nigeria. The prosecution, and this court doesn't know the law. That is the fact. Poor knowledge of the law is killing Nigeria. Poor knowledge of the law, they don't know the law. This is a federal gazetted law of Nigeria that says here that the chief judge of Nigeria cannot tell Binta Nyeko what to do. It's here. It's your law. Just obey it. That is why I do what I do. I agitate for Biafra. I agitate for Biafra. My right to agitate. My right. They turned it from treasonable felony now to terrorism. Stop talking when I'm talking.
Sorry, sir.
For these people, they are fools. They think they can mess around with people who are not educated. I am an educated man. I can't show them the petition for the simple reason that if you show it,
what the judge said was that the case file was.
I don't recognize anything Big Tanya said today for the simple reason that she has no jurisdiction to try me. None whatsoever. I came out of courtesy and respect. She stands recused from my case and cannot try my case. There are things that are happening in this country that a lot of you do not know. It is my duty to make that very, very clear to all of you today. Because the lies are too much. The lies are too much. I sent a petition to NJC. I don't want to talk about it. Justice Binta Nyako is using her position for personal gain. For personal gain. Her son and her husband are facing corruption charges. And they told them that if they convict me, this is what happens. You can see it. They don't want the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out in Nigeria. That's the problem. Who is that person? Who is that person? People don't like that coming now. Binta Nyako's husband and son are facing corruption charges. They sent her to my case so they can release or smoothen the pathway for the husband and the son.
Who have the lights?
They are facing. It doesn't matter in the office. In a corrupt society, that's what happens. They are very, very corrupt. There is a breach of judicial oath. They have violated the judicial oath. They have shown bias according to Supreme Court. They are biased against me. Supreme Court said so. And that is why what is happening in the judgments and rulings concerning me has been happening. So, disobedience to superior court orders. Supreme Court said you are biased. You are against this man. You should not have revoked his bail. Nigeria went to Kenya and kidnapped him. These things are in the public domain. Why therefore are they insisting on trying me? A court order was entered. In that very court order, it was said very clearly and succinctly that he is no more. No. That